Number 6 says a loan of $575 is made for 6 months at a simple interest rate of 12%. What is the amount due after 6 months? So they're asking for the amount due after 6 months, which is the future value of the account. So they are looking for A. So we will be using the A formula. Now, what other information do we know? We know that P is equal to 575. We know that our time is 6 months, but because it needs to be expressed in years, I need to write this as 6 over 12. And then we know our rate is 12%. So R is equal to 0.12. So now I just need to plug these numbers into the formula. And then calculate it. And the future value will be $609.50.